Okay, I have my gown on. I am more out. I got a lot accomplished today. Got my yard mowed. Woohoo! Woohoo! I got it mowed today before it started raining, and just when I got it finished, it poured down. Just had supper. Me and Bella had bologna sandwich and Cheetos. And let me get them out of her house. Yeah, she had a few little bites in her hair. So, it got quite warm here today. So let me bring it down. We're right here. I got all of this done. So it is working up really good. It has a little bit of color blocking, but then it has scattered, which confetti's my favorite. So let's get started. So, what have you done up to? Have you diamond painted today? Have you had to do other stuff? Or maybe you just had to go to work. That's no fun. My dad would always say, all the time, all the time, don't work, you don't eat. And that's biblical. I bit my lip yesterday. Here in front. Here. Oh, it's so sore. Yeah, I was watching a hauler. I'll put her link to her channel. It's Hobbies and Hauls Hangout. And her and Tita was the very first ones I watched when I started watching hauls. And yeah, so I'll put a link down below, as Diamond Grandma says, down in the basement. Just hit the more button and it'll take you to it. Go check her out. She don't put that any videos on, but she has a real soft, gentle voice. And she adopted 2 little fur babies that was highly mistreated. These little things have just had it super rough. And they're 2 little chihuahuas. How people can just mistreat something so little and innocent. It's almost like mistreating a baby. They can't fight back. Oops. Like Bella here was so mistreated, and now she has separation issues. You know how you get your dog licensed to be a support animal? I'm going to have to get licensed to be Bella's support person. But Bella has come a long way. She said her two little ones have come a long way. And one of them is still having some anxiety issues. Poor little thing. But go check her out. Let her know. Right now, she's showing how she bought some duct tape, and it looked like wood. She's filming, listen to me, filming. She's framing her diamond painting. Now she goes and gets something called, she takes it to Hobby Lobby, or Michael's, one of those, and they dry mounted y'all know what that is? I have no clue what it is. Oh, look at this. They keep dropping. So, maybe we'll do one at a time and save time. So I come in. Well, I was fixing my supper, and of course, knock on the door. Then a lady needed me to take some toys to the thrift store down here. So I helped her take a bunch of boxes to toys. Then it came home, ate my lunch or supper, and now I'm talking to y'all. I was going to watch a rerun of Broken Wood, but I'm cheap. I can now get it on YouTube and don't have to pay Acorn, which is pretty good because I got the 2 new ones. Somebody had, bless their heart, they had posted them on YouTube, so I got to watch them on there. Oh, I stuck something up underneath my thumbnail. Oh, it's so sore. It's right here on the side. I figured we'd do this whole square. I tried to make them smaller so we could do a whole square. And we probably could. You probably say, well, Linda, we could if you'd shut up. I feel like I haven't talked to y'all in ages. And I know that's not true. I just put a video of a thrift store haul. It wasn't that big, but I got some really cute stuff, so you'll have to let me know what was your favorite in that haul. That click is because it's got a good stick. Do y'all watch Broken Wood? It's a detective show. Of course, it's English. It's one of my favorites, along with Vera, Midsummer Mysteries. And I had told you I watched, and then there was none. Well, the first time I watched it, it ended crazy, I thought. But then I watched an old black and white one. It ended totally different. Totally different. So I was glad that I had watched it, because I started not to watch it because I thought, well, I already know how it ends. No, I didn't. So I was glad I watched it. It's called Then There Was None. It's an Agatha Christie mystery. Then, have y'all watched the movie Clue? The funny version, not the serious version. It was, yeah. It would end, then it would say, but it could have ended this way. But I forgot who played in it. Now come on. I went to Family Dollar, and once I get in there, it's like, oh, I should have brought my camera. I could have recorded. I could have made a video. I think about it once I get in there, but my phone was left at home. I'm one of those people that don't take her phone everywhere with her. Yeah. Then I have people get mad at me, but I'm just not tied to my phone. If I go off and leave it, I go off and leave it. I'm not driving all the way back home to get it. Let me get a drink. I'm still drinking on my diet root beer generic. So good. Remember going to Long John Silver's and you'd get those big glasses with the handle and you'd pull that lever and get the frosty A&W root beer. That was always so good. Well, the one that was close to here, it burned and they never fixed it. So we no longer have a Long John Silver's, which I think is sad because I like Long John Silver's. But I have to admit, I thought Long John Silver's was a little greasy. But boy, was it good. Maybe that's what made it good. Now, they talked about reopening, but they haven't. Of course, in Glasgow, where it's at, they have so many restaurants. Oh. Now, I got some of that. What? I'm thinking it's a G. I got some of the stuff. Rats. Okay. Let's do the G since I messed that one up. So, there. Okay, that didn't take long. These have become my favorite. Tic Tacs were my favorite. These are now my favorite. Because if you have a big quantity, you've got these big ones. Oh, it makes it so much easier. So it is so nice to do. Tomorrow is Friday. Woot woot. I will probably sleep good tonight because I've been busy today. I'm gonna wear my black dress with the pink ruffle that I showed in the hall. I was able to send a video from my phone to that other channel today, which I was thrilled, and I was able to upload. So but like I said, I'll put Mary's channel down below. I think you'll like her. Like I said, she don't put out that many videos, but she has a very calming voice, and I think you'll like her. Whoa. And she does friendly, low budget canvases, and she does diamond art, but she does them, she gets them like on sale. She don't pay premium price. Because she's retired. But I think you'll like her. And I think she's showed her puppy, well, one of them, a couple times. But the other one is very timid, and she can't get him on video. Okay. Yeah, I think we can do these squares because I think they're big enough to give you a good amount to do, but then they're small enough that I can get them done with y'all. These are the best little tweezers. Just really good. And I have stabbed myself with those little scissors. So, yeah. So be very careful if you have these little tweezers, because let me tell you, you'll end up stabbing yourself. And they hurt. I'm trying to get all the little odd ones out. Okay, I think we're down to 2 colors. That's one of them. 5. Here's the next one. I don't need that many. I like that click sound it makes. My nose is running, probably because I mowed the grass. There. Yeah, I think this one has just the right amount of confetti and color block. Oh, I need to write in my book. I'm getting sluggish on my book. Okay, hold on. I gotta come up that it was. Done. Now come on, don't make me touch. Okay, I think it's in there. If it comes up again, oh no, it's not. My phone was dying. But at least when it comes up that it's dying, it don't cut the video off. So that way you still get to see. I think we can do this. What's that little thing? I think I can. I think I can. Oh, high hopes. On Laverne and Shirley, Shirley would always sing high hopes. Okay, one more color. One more color. There we go. Oh, I got it out. Silly man. I was gonna look for it. If it quit falling off my thing, okay, maybe now. Yeah, that worked better. Maybe. There. Well, maybe it's New Zealand that Broken Wood's in. Well, anyway, anywho, their characters stayed the same. You know how in Midsummer you had different towns and different characters. Well, in Brokenwood, you've got the St. Mayor, you've got the doctor, you've got the pastor, the reverend, I guess is what he's called. You've got the same characters. Which I'm not sure if I like it that way. I'm not sure. Maybe I do. But it's on Acorn. But I'm watching it on YouTube now. Which I watch YouTube 90% of the time. Anyhow. So. Okay. So, when I get through here, I'm going to kick back. Me and Bella's going to sit here and watch TV. And probably eat some cheese curls. Ta-da! We did it. We got that square. Okay, it didn't take too long. So, with that being said, I will see you tomorrow. You have a fantastic night. I hope you have a restful and peaceful night. And God bless you. And if you're out and about, be kind. Which I know y'all are, because y'all are the sweetest one. Y'all are the sweetest subscribers. Yeah. So, with that being said, God bless each and every one of you. Thank you so much for all that has subscribed, has stuck in there with me. With all this craziness going on with the channels. A reminder, if you're subscribed to the other channel, just please stay subscribed, but also subscribe to this channel because when I can upload over there, I will, and when I can upload here, I'll upload here. That way, you've got two choices. And I want to spend time with you. I don't want to miss that time that we get to spend together. So with that being said, God bless you. Be kind. If you're new here, welcome to mine. And Bella is here, all stretched out. She's sound asleep. She didn't even move. Channel. We do a lot of stuff. I try to have a lot of different content. Thank you for hanging out with me and her. And I appreciate you. And I'm so thankful that I have y'all as friends. You're more than a subscriber. You're friends. And this is your channel. As much it is mine, because if it wasn't for y'all, there wouldn't be no channel. So I'm rambling on. Sorry about that, but there's a lot I want to tell you. And so, but anyway, God bless you. Hang in there, and I'll see you in the morning.